Alright, so what we're going to do tonight is get this show started. Can we give them a round of applause? We're going to begin with a game called Sound Effects. This game is for Brandon and Shawn. I need 2 people from the audience. Any volunteers? Come on, guys.
Come on, people. Someone wants to come up here.
Alright, we got 2 volunteers. Thank you.
Alright, so what's going on? Oh, you already know. What's this? I feel left behind.
What's your name?
I'm Eric.
Hi. What's your name? Melia. Okay, so what we're going to have here is Melia and Eric will be providing the sounds for Shawn and Brandon. Melia will be providing sounds for Brandon, and Eric will be giving sounds for Shawn. It is a tough name. So what do we want our players to be today? Brandon and Shawn, just name out an occupation. Stripper. Tooth fairy? Okay. Wow, okay, we have a lot of good suggestions. Okay, so you guys are stripper bounty hunters. And let's give them a world crisis. Anything. The world is running out of perfume. Okay? And